Prep test 65, game number 1, question number 3 asks which of the following cannot be true. So for a cannot be true question like this, we need to check every possible scenario. Therefore, I've put both of our limited options up on the board here, and we want to check against each of them. So let's go ahead and dive right into answer choice A. Could F ever be immediately before J? Well, we see right here where there's room for that possibility. So this one's looking like it could be true. What about answer choice B? G immediately before H. Well, again, we see a possibility right here where G could come immediately before H. So this one could be true. Just to make my abbreviations clear, we are looking for 4 that could be true and 1 that must be false. Answer choice C, H immediately before G. Well, you'll notice up here, both of our H's come after our possible G spaces, and right here is the same story. So this one's looking pretty good. This one's looking like it must be false, but let's just check the remaining 2 to be sure. J immediately before G. We had that in our last question, if you watched that video. It's possible right there in option 2. So that could be true. And lastly, K immediately before H. Where could we have K immediately before H? We could have it right here. So again, this guy could be true. That leaves us with 4 that could be true, and C as the only answer choice that must be false.